thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today we are unboxing Jenny's day 17 of her countdown to Christmas. This is what it looks like. All right, and it's super light, so I have no idea what's in here. Oh, okay. All right, I was just saying that I wanted more items for my tree, and this is awesome. So this is Missouri Star LED string lights, 7 feet of string lights. Let me go ahead and show. They are battery operated. Okay, so they have the Missouri Star right there in signature colorways that actually mimic, I believe, that little pouch that we got too, the little zipper pull in there, same exact colorway. All right, let's see, these are all tangled up here. Oh geez, this little star is holding it all together, you guys. Okay, there we go. All right, so 7 feet of lights. Like I said, I'll go ahead and put this on my little sewing themed inspired tree here, and that'll be a really nice addition. All right, so I went ahead and got my AA batteries here. It takes 2 AA's for these string lights. And let's go ahead and turn these on and let's see how they look. Oh, you can't really see very well. Okay. Oh, look how pretty that is. It almost like illuminates the little Missouri Star. Those are so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love this item. So cute. All right, let me know what you guys thought about this one. This one's fun, and how would you use this one as well? I'm kind of curious, if you don't have a tree in your sewing space, how would you use these Missouri Star lights? Let me know down below, and I will see you tomorrow for day number 18.